Now think if I read my teleprompter and I'm going, well, let's see, because of the weakness in the economy, I'd like to apologize. Pause. 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 What was that? That's unbelievable. Pause. You know, I was watching it. I said, that was weird. They actually don't have pause in my teleprompter, you know. They have a blank space. That's like you see. If there's a response. If there's no response, you just keep going. You don't have pause. Did Biden even show up? I don't think he showed up, right? I don't know. Somebody said he did show up. He was wandering in the parking lot just to make it appear. He said, where am I? You're in Wisconsin. Where's that? And it's good that I have a good memory. You know why? Because this teleprompter is facing you, not this. Yes, sir. These teleprompters are just gonzo, folks. They're gonzo. I hate to use the word folks. Cross out the word folks. You ever hear Biden? Every other word is folks. Okay, folks. It's like a nervous habit. I don't use the word folks. Especially with the car industry and all of the other things. I thought that was China. That was a loud plane. That was an old one. Those old ones are a little loud. You get ready for me. Maybe you can convince me with that vegan food, okay? You get a good, healthy vegan food. Remember the person that said, I attacked a Secret Service agent in the front of the car? It's not my deal. I'm a lover, not a fighter. Remember that? And these are tough guys. You know, these Secret Service guys, I hate to admit it, they're slightly younger than me. Just slightly. It's very hard because, you know, you also have metal bars and a couple of things you have to get through. No, but didn't she say something like, I grabbed the guy at the wheel and grabbed him around the neck. And I was slightly rebuffed because I'm so strong. I could only be slightly. And then I grabbed the man on the right, who I think was a black belt in karate or something and like 30 years old. I grabbed the man on the right and I had, this is crazy stuff. But a friend of mine said, you shouldn't fight that because I gained such respect. I didn't know that you were that strong and that tough, that you would take on a black belt in karate or whatever the hell he was. A very tough guy, I can tell you that. There were muscles all over the place, on his ears, on his neck. Biden is trying so hard to jail. He wants to jail his political opponent like they do in third world countries or banana republics. He wants to give it a shot. There's only one problem. Every one of these fake cases is bullshit. Every single one of them. Terrible. The guy can't put two sentences together. He can't find the stairs to a platform. Where am I going? Where the hell am I going? I want to get out. Oh, no, over there, over there. Remember? He makes a speech that lasts usually about a minute and a half because the octane starts to wear off quickly. You ever notice he starts off strong? Within about 2 minutes, he can't talk anymore. And then he walks off. You ever notice he always goes like this? Then he comes back up to the mic, and he's looking, he's totally lost. There's stairs all over the place. He could go there, there, here. He could jump off the front of the damn plot. But he always goes like this. And then, there's a stair right there, right? Then he starts